Assalamualaikum and a very good morning, everyone. Welcome to the podcast of Star Education Fair 2026, where education shapes tomorrow. And with me today, we have Dr. Chin Vunj from University of Southampton Malaysia. He is the lecturer in the School of Electronics and Computer Science in University of Southampton Malaysia. So, a
Yes,
very good morning, sir. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great and very nice to meet you.
All right, so nice to
And
meet
it's
you
a
too.
great event.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, um to begin our podcast session, so maybe you would like to introduce about your institution or maybe about yourself, academic backgrounds, or maybe the experience that you had.
Sure,
Mm.
definitely. I'm Dr. Chin from University of Southampton, Malaysia.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually an assistant professor in electrical electronics
Ah,
engineering.
I see.
Yes, a little introduction about our university.
Mm-hmm.
Um, our university is actually has a long history. Um, It was established in Malaysia in 2012, so it
Oh,
has been, in particular in Johor.
I
So it
see.
has been in Malaysia for about 14 years now.
Mm-hmm.
It is one of the top ranking university throughout the world.
Mm.
To be specific, is QS rank 87, making it
Wow,
the number one ranked UK
I see.
university.
Mm-hmm.
And another, the programs that it is specifically known for are actually engineering.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we started with. And
Mm.
over the years, as we gain more and more tractions,
Mm-hmm.
more and more interest from the students,
Mm.
we start to open up
More
other
program,
programs.
I see.
Uh, More recently, we
Mm-hmm.
have computer science as well
Mm,
as business programs,
I see.
from foundation to postgraduates.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So the electronic is the first course to offer, is it?
Um,
The most.
Close, but
Mm-hmm.
the first course would
Mm-hmm.
be mechanical engineering,
Mechanical
followed
engineering.
by aeronautics, astronautics,
Okay.
then electrical
Ah,
electronics,
I see. Okay, okay.
computer science, and the latest one,
Oh,
business.
okay, okay. Thank you
Mm,
so much for clearing that up.
yes.
So now, we move on to the next question, which is what is the advantages of the people that is watching this to sign up and be part of the Southampton family?
Okay. I would say that if you look through our syllabus, you'll find that our programs are
Mm-hmm.
very practical intensive.
Mm-hmm.
Meaning, for example, for electrical students, because
Mm-hmm.
I'm a lecturer in that
Mm.
program myself,
Mm-hmm.
the students actually have close to 20 plus lab sessions with just in
Oh,
year one. So
wow.
that's quite a bit different from all other universities.
I see.
Going into year two, where normally students will start to pick up their skills and knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
we already go into design exercises.
Ah,
And in year three and year four, they would start to specialize in their field of interest.
I
So
see.
I would say that is an advanced program.
Mm-hmm.
But that is the reason why, especially for engineering, these programs are ranked top 10 in the UK.
Mm.
For example, electrical electronics is ranked number 3 now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, aeronautics number 2 and mechanical number 8. The other programs are equally as impressive as well.
I
For
see.
example, CS is about 18 and the business programs about 20 plus
Okay.
within the entire UK.
Mm.
So as long as you graduate second class upper,
Mm-hmm.
the world is your oyster.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
For a fact, we actually have many students working in top tier companies throughout the world.
Ah, okay.
For example, Jaguar,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Mercedes,
Mm-hmm.
Intel, even Microsoft, Huawei, ARMS, AMD.
That's a very big company.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
just their future is
Mm.
very bright.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. All right, so now we move on to the next question, which is what do you offer special for this Star Education Fair? I heard just now that you guys are
Yes.
having a early bird promotion
Yes.
for the new registration. So maybe we would like to share more about that.
Yes, that's a very good question and
Mm.
very relevant one. So for this Star Education Fair,
Mm-hmm.
we are offering something called an early bird promotion.
Mm.
So for students applying into undergraduate programs,
Mm-hmm.
they would get 2,005 ringgit off their tuition fees.
Wow. Okay.
And if they go into undergraduate programs, there will be 3,000 ringgit off. So that's
Oh,
quite a
that's
huge
a big
opportunity.
discount. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
yes, yes.
Mm.
They could use that funding to buy a laptop, for
Ah,
example.
yeah, true.
Yes,
So that's a very big chance that you can get here at Star
yes,
Education Fair Penang. So you don't want to miss that out. So the
yes.
next question is that what do you want to say to youngsters that want to pursue in computer science or maybe in electronics, but they have, let's say they have some financial issue, or maybe they have lack of background. So what is your advice to them, since you are a very experienced people in that industry?
Yes, I would say that don't be afraid to start,
Mm.
because there are so many resources available online now.
Mm-hmm.
You can start anytime actually, if you,
Mm.
especially in technical area, programming is unavoidable, right?
Mm.
You can have any really excellent programs, especially those offered by Oxford,
Oh.
MIT. Sign into those programs because no matter which technical field you get into now,
Mm-hmm.
it's all about programming.
Mm.
Yes,
True, true.
another is if you go into this kind of program,
Mm-hmm.
strengthen your mathematics, because
Mm.
in the engineering or computer science world,
Mm-hmm.
the only way for us to describe an object or describe a phenomenon is all using
Mathematics.
mathematics.
True,
It's no
true.
longer
Yeah,
sentences
yeah,
and so
yeah.
on.
So,
Yes.
sir, next is, what is your hope for the next generation, especially for your industry, which is the electronics?
Oh, that's quite a tough question,
Yeah.
but an insightful one.
Mm-hmm.
My hope will be that, okay, I hope first of all,
Mm-hmm.
the new generations do not misuse AI.
Ah,
Yes,
true, true.
because uh, even in the newer cohort of our students,
Mm-hmm.
I find it is very easy for, because information is everywhere, right?
Mm.
And you can ask AI to do anything
Yeah,
anytime.
true. Yeah.
So that could be a missed opportunity. Sometimes the students coming in to study,
Mm-hmm.
they may feel that the goal is just to complete a
Yeah,
assignment, for
yeah,
example.
true. Mm-hmm.
They must remember the goal is actually to broaden your
Yeah,
knowledge.
to make them understand about the
Yes.
cause. Yeah, yeah,
So
true.
I would say if in education, maybe one thought would be that I hope the newer generation will still
Mm.
appreciate knowledge
Mm-hmm.
and feel inspired by
Mm-hmm.
what is there, because what they are, we have now, we are basically standing
Ah,
on top of the shoulders of giants.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
true.
so I hope we can continue to appreciate that and
Mm-hmm.
make newer discovery as we go.
Mm, true,
Yeah,
true.
because one thing I'm concerned with AI is that,
Mm.
as you know, there are so many deepfakes
Mm-hmm.
and false information
True.
online, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So with without that awareness,
Mm-hmm.
actually, we might decline in the uh, context of pursuing knowledge.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see, I see.
Yes.
Okay, so now we are talking about AI.
Yes.
So I would like to ask a little bit more. Maybe this is the last question, which
Sure.
is how does AI helps in computering, or maybe in computer science, in specifically for electronic engineering? So how does AI helps instead of taking the job? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. How does it,
how does AI
mm,
help?
instead of
Okay,
taking the job?
another really good question, I think,
Right.
from you. Okay, um, AI, uh, as a university,
Mm-hmm.
and as with all other top UK universities,
Mm-hmm.
we actually try to embrace AI as a tool.
Mm.
So, for example, when you write a code in the olden times,
Mm-hmm.
you might make syntax error,
Yeah.
unnecessary errors. It's not that your understanding is not there;
Mm-hmm.
it's just that you tend to make mistake. Those kind of simple tasks can actually be done easily with AI now.
Mm-hmm. True.
So my both, not just in programming but
Mm-hmm.
in engineering as well.
Mm-hmm.
For example, when you design a circuit,
Mm,
when you
true.
try to use equations, those are unnecessary errors,
Mm-mm.
right? So human, as engineer or as computer
Mm-hmm.
scientists, our side will be to think of the big picture,
Mm. Mm.
our role. Yeah.
Mm.
So in that aspect, I believe that we should embrace AI as a tool to help us to discover more
Mm,
quicker,
I
not
see.
just in day-to-day application, but
Mm,
also in research. Yeah,
mm,
because in publications, now you don't have to actually go through articles by articles.
yeah.
You can actually ask AI to
Analyze it.
summarize the
Yeah, true.
whole field of
Mm-hmm.
knowledge. I think that is something so powerful that we
Mm-hmm.
are underutilizing. Yes,
Okay, okay. All right. So now, move on to the next and the last session,
yes.
which is to promote the University of Southampton. So maybe you would like to say one word or two to call to action to our visitors to come and visit your booth.
Oh,
Mm.
sure. Okay, please come to University of Southampton, Malaysia.
Mm-hmm.
So we are at booth a
Zero
zero
three.
three.
Mm-hmm.
In this very limited amount of time, maybe 1 week duration,
Mm-hmm.
we are offering, okay, repeat again,
Mm-hmm.
that early
Early
bird
bird
promotion.
promotion. Yeah.
Anyone applying into foundation will get 2,500 ringgit
Off.
off.
Mm-hmm.
uh, Entering into undergraduate will get 3,000
3,000.
ringgit off.
Mm.
Yeah, so this is a huge opportunity. Another thing we like to highlight is that um, because if you look into the structure of our program,
Yeah.
most of our programs are maybe 2+2,
Mm-hmm.
1+2, two
Mm-hmm.
plus one. The pathways are quite flexible
Okay.
in that the tuition fees are often much cheaper compared to
Mm,
if you were to study
I see.
directly in the
Mm.
UK.
Mm-hmm.
It's up to about 70% cheaper.
Oh.
Yet you get the same degree,
Ah.
exactly the same.
Same
Uh,
syllabus also.
yes.
Mm, okay.
Plus, all the certs are issued directly from the UK.
Oh.
All our exams, all our classes are
Mm,
synchronized with the UK. So there's
mm,
no difference at all there.
I see.
So I think this is a huge opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
uh, One you shouldn't miss. Okay, if you are interested in any of these area, for
Mm-hmm.
example, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
engineering,
Yeah.
computer science, and business. Yes,
Mm,
yeah, please come to visit us.
yeah.
We have academics and our recruitment team there will
Okay.
help you and guide you through the
All
application
right.
process.
Okay. Okay. All
Okay.
right. Is that it?
Yeah,
Is there
I
anything
believe
that you
so.
would like to add?
Perhaps just one more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
And I think to be an excellent graduate, it's not just about academics, it's
Mm-hmm.
also about your involvement outside of
Mm,
academics.
true. True.
So as such, just this year,
Mm-hmm.
our universities have launched something called a Provost Beyond Academic
Mm-hmm.
Award, okay, to recognize and to encourage students to
Mm,
involve
be active.
way
Mm,
beyond just
I
academics.
see.
So that is also the reason why our graduates and
Mm,
employability wise
mm,
is 85% and above.
I
So that's
see.
an A plus.
Ah.
Just to highlight this one,
Mm-hmm.
electrical and electronics, for example,
Mm-hmm.
is 100% employability. So
Wow.
that's something huge.
That's impressive.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, yeah,
yes.
very true. All right. So, if you guys would like to know more about the University of Southampton, feel free to come and visit them and meet Dr. Chin personally and consult about your journey in education. No matter if you are joining for foundation to postgraduates, you are free to take their brochures and ask as many questions as you want. So, that's it from us. I am Kide, and I'm apologize if there's any mistake upon and all along this podcast. And thank you so much, Dr. Chin, for joining us today.
Likewise.
And thank you so much to the watcher and also the viewer. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Bye.